Hello everyone, myself Prathamesh Zagre. I am from TY BTech. My group members are Ajit Wake, Sarthak Wake, Sudhna Engi, and we are going to present on Solar PV MPP Boost Converter. So this is our project. In that we had used components. We had used radiance. Radiance gives supply to the solar plate. Solar plate gives to the boost converter. In that inlet are PV, GPV, I, V, Fx is equal to 0, and it is given to the ground, and it is connected in inlet at down PV controller VO, IPO, VPO, IO. It is inlet, outlet gate is GOV. In this way I had used meter. It is 150 to the 1000. Now other one load power, it is 0.1 to the 2. The voltage control mode works on only the load required in PV generator, and we had given a switch here, MPP voltage and voltage control mode, and here at the corner it shows the DC bus voltage, solar PV and load power, and these are the graphs of our project. Graphs are DC bus voltage, solar PV current, solar panel voltage and solar power.
Hello, myself Ajit Wake, and now we are going to see the information of solar PV system with MPPT using boost converter. In this example, we will see design of boost converter for controlling the power output of a solar PV system, and it will also helps us. The first one is determine how the panels should be arranged in terms of the number of series connected string and the number of panels per string to achieve the required power rating. Second one, implement the MPPT algorithm using boost converter. Third one, operate the solar PV system in the voltage control method. And fourth one is select a suitable proportional gain and phase lead time constant for the PI controller. Also, we can choose between two maximum power point tracking MPPT techniques. The first one is increment conductance, that is called IC, and the second one is perturbation and observation, that is called P&O. Solar PV system with MPPT using a boost converter.
Implementation of the solar photovoltaic system with maximum power point tracking MPPT utilize the boost converter. The goal is to enhance the efficiency and the performance of the solar energy harvesting by the dynamically adjusting the operating point of the PV array its maximum power output under varying environmental. The next condition, the purpose system in incorporating the boost converter as the MPPT control, which efficiently regulates the voltage from the solar panel to maximum power extraction. The MPPT algorithm employs is designed to continuously track and adjust the operating point of the PV array, ensuring the optimal power transfer from the solar panel to the load or energy.
Hello, my name is Sarthak Wake, and I am going to explain the solar PV system with MPPT using boost converter and the advantages and the parameters of the specified solar panel. This is the first one of the parameter of the power rating input from the user is equal to 2.00 kilowatt, and second one is the minimum number of panel required per string is equal to 8, and third one is the maximum number of panel connected per string without reaching maximum voltage is equal to 10, and minimum power possible per string without the string reaching maximum DC voltage is equal to 2.25 voltage, and actual number of panel per string is equal to 9, and the number of string connected in the parallel is equal to 1, and actual solar PV plant power is equal to 2.03 power. The information of the solar PV system MPPT using boost converter information. The information is the proposed system incorporates boost converter as the MPPT controller, which efficiently and regulates the voltage from the solar panel to maximum power extraction. The MPPT algorithms, the employed is designed to continuously track the adjust the operating point of the PV array And key components of the system include a microcontroller as a real component and real-time control and the monitoring, sensor for environmental parameter measurements such as the solar irradiance and the temperature. Thank you.